Hello, Happy New Year! Today let's see how we can create golden numbers with free Canva. I share this resource page with you. So click on the template link that you will find in the description. A window like this will open for you. Now you see the numbers and the photo. You can add the page. You can copy the numbers you want. Click right button and copy it, and you can paste them. You can increase or decrease the numbers. You can copy this photo, and here you can paste it, or you can just click Ctrl D and make several duplicates. Now you can just drag the photo to the numbers. And here you go. Now you can take the number and put near the other number, click right button and send it backwards. Right button and send it backwards. And here you go. I hope you like this tutorial. Click like and click subscribe. And if you want to learn more, check Extensive Canva Master Course on udemy.com. See you next time.